$50 hit. Way to go, baby. Come on, man. There you go. What's that? $56. Hey now, good one, honey.
Not bad.
Alright. That's a good one up there. Wow, look at that. That's $30 hit. Alright. $31. That's a big one, guys. All right. It's a good one. Might get win one of those up there. Come on now. Playing on the jackpot now. Jackpot, jackpot. Stop, stop, stop. Alright. Alright, we're going to go for one of those. We're going to at least win $21. Alright. There we go, guys. Let's go for a big one. That grand is $5,200. Come on now, come on. Well, we got the mini, looks like, guys. 21 bucks. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, we'll take it, guys. 88 fortunes, guys. We got the jackpot. Get that grand. Yeah. That's the mini. Let's do a little wide play. Oh, we got it again. Oh, wow. Okay. Get that money. We got the money. All right. Come on, let's get it. That's a good one, guys. That's a good one. That's a cool game right there. Alright guys, we're playing Flaming Tiger. I just got a good hit there. Everything turned wild. So we got aces, the tiger. This is wild. That's a good hit. Good hit right there. Let's see what we got, guys. 77 bucks. Right. There we go. Come on, big one. Thank you. All right, awesome. Well, we'll come back if we get anything else. Thanks for watching.
That's so cool.
Come on. There we go. All right. That's a big one. That's a good one, guys. $135. Let's hit it.
Congratulations to our latest Top Seed winner, Linda. Has
There we go.
$1
Full screen.
in cash.
Woohoo! Yeehaw! It's gonna be a good one, guys. Wow. He's roaring again, guys. Oh, another full screen. Unbelievable. Woohoo! 11th out of 11 spin out of 66. Still got 55 more spins, guys. 265. We can still hit some more free spins. Oh. Another full screen, guys. Wow. Still got 44 more spins to go. Now we get those girls all the way across. That's gonna be good. Go, go. Oh. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's a good one, guys. That's a good one. Right. Yeehaw. Yeehaw, guys. That was a good one. 66 super free games. Yeah, one more spin. We're going to cash her on out. Oh, let's see what we got here. No, not yet, guys. We'll take her down to 530. We'll see. Oh. Alright, let's go. We'll go 10 more, guys. Do a $2 bet. Alright, 2 more spins. Alright, guys, that was a good one. And thanks a lot for watching, and thanks High Winds Casino. Thank you, thank you.